Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install Finvasia scalping software in Android mobile. First go to the website mdotkcodez.com, click sign up and enter your details. Okay, registration is completed. Next, check your email. If it's not available in your inbox, check your spam folder. Click the verification link. Okay, email verification is completed. Next, to open the browser and click login. Enter your login details and login. Okay, logged in. Next, go to plans and subscribe 7-day trial. Okay, success. Click Android. Click download button. You must enter your Finvasia client ID. Click add. Next, download the software. Okay, it's downloaded. Click the APK file. Click install. Click open. Click register button. Here you need to enter your API details. So go to the browser. Open the link prism.finvasia.com. Login. Click your profile and click API key. Copy your API key and paste in API key field. Then enter your client ID, password, which it's email ID, and password you used to sign up in my website. Click register and click login and enter your TOTP. Use any one authenticator to generate TOTP. Okay, software is loaded. Click the any index and click the expiry. Okay, you can see two strikes. First one is C and second one is P. If you click plus or minus, the strike will change. Next, let's see how to enable paper trade. Go to position and enable paper and change the quantity and click C. Okay, order is placed. Okay, I hope you all understand how to install scalping software in Android mobile. In my next video, I will show you how to take real trades. If any queries, please let me know in comments. Thank you for watching.